Yo, this is just a little PSA. Ramadan's tomorrow. You heard? This is my last plate given to you. If you want to cop, make sure you cop before midnight tonight, because after that, I'm not serving you for the next 30 days. Yo, do not call my phone. Do not text me. I might even change my jack just so you niggas won't hit me up. Yo, for real though, Ramadan's in 30 days. I gotta change my life around. I'm about to go pop this perk. I like 10, and then about to sip up some lean, and then by then I'll be good. I'll be good for the rest of Ramadan. You feel me? I'll pour it before and get high, and after that, it's all set for Ramadan. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا محمد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم نبيا. Ramadan Mubarak, brother. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. You know, today I woke up for suhoor. You know, about 10 minutes before I probably popped a perk, but that's my last time doing it, you know. Alhamdulillah, it's Ramadan. May Allah bless us and accept all of our fasts, brother. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين